everyone, welcome to English Lessons with Mikel teacher. Today we're going to pronounce some words with a central vowel sound. How can it be pronounced? Your tongue should be at the mid-height in the mouth. Your lips should be often open. Vibrate your vocal cords and push air from your mouth, like this way. Okay, let's pronounce some words with a central vowel sound. Understand, cut, run, young, Sunday, son, some, husband, monkey, Monday. Great job. Let's continue to the next video. Goodbye.